I wanted something fast on the boat barbecue and handheld. Let's try cheesesteak with onions, provolone cheese, and a bit of Kraft slices on a hot dog bun.
So the AI cooking cat is pretty realistic. Hard to compete with that. I'm going to start with a large, thin piece of strip loin. Fast fry, it said. Trim off the fat. Some pepper. Some salt. Paprika. Fire up the barbecue. A bit of oil in the steak so it doesn't stick to the grill. And let it start cooking. So these are thin pieces, so they'll probably only take a couple of minutes per side. The proper Philly cheesesteak needs onions, so cut up half an onion into thin slivers. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The slivers will fall through the grill, so let's use a foil container as a pan. Another bit of oil, and put the onions on the grill. Steak's ready to flip. Slice a large hot dog bun or panini bun lengthwise. And let's toast that a bit. A couple of slices of cheese. The official cheese is provolone. I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar because I like the taste. And I had some. Let's let the cheese melt. By now the steak is done. Get it onto the bun. Add the onion. A bit of mayo. Wow, tastes great.
That was fast and good. All the food groups in one handful.
Ingredients: 8 ounces thin sliced steak, salt, pepper, paprika, oil, half an onion, 2 slices of cheese, a hot dog bun, a bit of mayo,